Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block accounts on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Followers that is below your username. Choose the username you want to block. Tap on 3 vertical dot that is on the top right corner of your screen. There you will see a lot of options. Tap on Block. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Block. So that is how you block accounts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.